Okay guys, we're out here on Cinco de Mayo and we've got Cinco suppressors for you. Some of these guys you've seen in our other videos, and we got some new hosts out here for you. So we're going to start with the Smith & Wesson M&P 22, and it is sporting the SWR Spectre 2. Then we're going to move on to the Sig Sauer Scorpion. This is the Carry Edition, and it's wearing the Osprey 45. Then we're going to move on to the 300 Blackout. You've seen this guy in a few other videos, but it's a Spikes Tactical Biohazard, upper and lower. It's got a Noveske barrel, Daniel Defense rail, a lot of mag pull gear, obviously the aim point, and it is got the AAC SDN6. Then we're going to move on to 5.56. This is a Stag upper and lower custom paint job with a Wilson Combat rail, and this is painted in the Sierra Coat burnt bronze, and it's got Magpul furniture, EOTech, Harris bipod, and the Surefire 212. And lastly, we got the 308. This is a POF 308, and it's wearing a Leopold 14 Power Mark IV. It's got the Harris bipod, and this is the Surefire FA 762K. Obviously a lot of Magpul furniture. So we're going to be doing some shooting today. So if those of you that cringe at watching beers get treated badly, you might want to look away. Let's do some shooting.
M&P 22, SWR Spectre 2. Smith & Wesson M&P 22, SWR Spectre 2.
We got the Sig Sauer Scorpion 1911. This is the Carry Edition, Osprey 45. We got a Sig Sauer Scorpion 45 Osprey. .300 Blackout, AAC SDN6. This is 208 grain, subsonic.
Stag arms, Surefire 212.
Okay, we got the 20-inch POF 308 Surefire FA 762K. It's the Smith & Wesson M&P 22 SWR Spectre 2. Silencer Coast Sparrow. Action! See how terrible it is? Smith & Wesson M&P 22 Silencer Coast Sparrow.
I don't know what it's called.
How could you not remember that? Finger off the trigger.
What do you do with it?
You are not very tactical. What is it?
I don't know. Silencer, Sparrow, 1, 2, 3.
Just shoot. got a Sig Sauer 1911 Scorpion 45 Osprey. Yeah, this is at 10 yards, 45 Osprey.
Really good.